Hello, my name is Angela Fitzpatrick with a 2020 design tip on how to use the Idea Center through Omega Cabinetry. If there is a selection of cabinets that you use quite often within your designs, there's a pretty neat way to be able to add that to your 2020 to be able to pull up real easily and have it saved there ready for you to use. This right here is an end of an island that we have produced. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight around it. It highlights everything that's within that box. And we're going to go to File. And under File, we're going to find Idea Center. And we're going to save to the Idea Center. It will pop up with a new screen. And this is actually going to ask me now in the left-hand column where I would like to put that. We have my closet sections. We've got my full kitchen. And then we also have my kitchen islands. I'm going to go ahead and list this underneath the kitchen islands. And yes, I'm changing the library. And under the idea name, we can add the name of this island. If you'd like to do a brief description below, you can. And then we also have the option to select. This is going to pull up the picture and just kind of getting a rotation of where you want that to actually show. However, the lighting does not work very well with this. Go ahead and select. And once that's been selected, now we can save. Idea has been saved. So where we can actually find this will be under our catalogs. And you will see that we have the Idea Center listed here with my different selections. So I do know that we had that under the kitchen island, so we'll click on that. And we'll go ahead and click on the island end exercise. And now I can drag it to my floor plan. So now I have it easily there for us to be able to add that to the design. The catalogs that these are on will automatically be added to your itemized list as well. Just to kind of give you some ideas of different categories, I use a lot of times different appliances that I like to be able to just pull in. So I've got a certain like dishwasher or gas range, things like that, that I have actually already supplied in here to be able to just pull easily without having to go through all the different options with the appliances. Once you have something within the Idea Center, you do have the option to go to the management of that Idea Center. Once you click on that, you have the option of opening whatever is available here. So the last one that we had was Island and Exercise. And if you, let's say, want to make changes to it, and this is an old one now that we don't need anymore, we can actually remove that from our library. And that is now taken off. It has been deleted. So you can definitely manage as well the different items that you want to display within your Idea Center. I'd like to thank you for joining me. Additional tips are available for you on MBCI OneTouch.